morning friends. In this video we are going to see how to find whether an event will happen or not. Not timing of event, only yes or no. Already we have posted a video regarding this. Those who want to see this can see from the description link, from the link given below, and also at the end of the video we have given the link for that. So this is one more method. Whichever is suitable for you, you can follow that. So before going into the video, I request everyone to subscribe and also press the bell button and select all notifications so that whenever we post video, you will get the notifications immediately. Now, going into the video, the rules are: you have to note down the planetary portion at 5:30 am for Lagna and Moon. Lagna means Lagna sign lord, Lagna star lord, and Lagna Upagraha, and also Moon sign lord, Moon star lord, and Moon Upagraha. So we will be getting 6 planets. Now you have to make a note of it. Here the Lagna means GMP Lagna, not software Lagna. Again, you have to note down the Lagna and Moon. Now, whenever a person is asking you a question, if it is a professional astrologer, some clients will be coming and asking the question, or ourselves may be asking a question, or our friends, relatives, or colleagues may be asking a question. You have to note down the question time, and there also you will be getting 3 planets: the Lagna Lord, Lagna's sign Lord, star Lord, and Lagna Upagraha. So we'll be getting 3 planets at the time of question. Already we have got 6 planets at 5:30 chart, and at the time of question we will be getting 3 planets. That is the Lagna Lord, Lagna sign Lord, star Lord, and Lagna Upagraha. So this technique has to be used only before 5:30 pm. After that we should not use it. Now the rule is you are getting 3 planets at the time of question. So among these 3 planets, if any one of the planet is appearing in 5:30 am Lagna Upagraha or Moon Upagraha, the event will happen immediately, the day itself. If the 3 planets at the time of question is appearing in Lagna star lord or Moon star lord at 5:30 am, the event will happen in days or weeks. If the 3 planets, any one of them at the time of question, is appearing in Lagna sign lord or Moon sign lord, then the event will happen in months. So these are the rules. Now we'll go to an example that you can see in the above chart. We also given that below the 5:30 portion of 7/5/2020 as month, week, day. That is sign lord, star lord, and Upagraha. So we have got Lagna as Mars, star lord as Venus, and Upagraha is also Venus, and Moon sign lord is Venus, Moon star lord is Rahu, and Moon Upagraha is Venus. So we have got 6 planets. That Lagna is GMP Lagna. Now in the first example, at the time of question which I have taken, Venus is appearing in Upagraha, Lagna Upagraha. So the 5:30 portion also, Venus is the Upagraha of Lagna and as well as Moon. So we can say the event will happen immediately. In the next example, only Mars is appearing in Lagna. In 5:30 portion, Mars is the sign lord of Lagna. So you will say the event will happen in month. In the third example, the star lord, that is Rahu. Rahu is the Lagna star lord and Lagna Ubhagraha, which is appearing as moon star lord. So we will say the event will happen in weeks or days. In the final example, the three planets are Mercury, Moon. So these planets are not appearing in the above combination. So we will say the answer is no for the question. So like this, we can also follow this method in KP method also. Those who are following KP method, also you can also use this. There, instead of the question time Lagna, you have to ask a number between 1 to 249 and you will be getting 3 planets. And you can apply all the rules which I have explained there also, and you can find the answer whether the event will happen or not. So if you have any doubts, you can post in the comment, and whenever the doubts are asked through WhatsApp, we will be replying in weekends. So thank you, take care, bye.